Hi everyone, welcome to the week 16 module, the final week of this semester. We're going to look at just reviewing different concepts that we learned throughout semester 2. So this video is going to give you a brief overview of what you have to look forward to this week. Of course, we start with our introduction, that is this video that you are watching. We have our resource room and open forum link after that. Remember, office hours are Wednesday afternoon from 2:30 to 3:15. So if you have any questions about this week's module or you just want to pop in and say hello and goodbye, you are more than welcome to do so. Our first set of instruction here is going to be just kind of doing a grade check and a self-reflection of your effort throughout this semester. So you'll see here that there's really short and sweet video notes in this instruction. It goes through what to do when you finish an assignment, and then it also goes through your final deadline for turning in any assignments. You have a SWic that goes with this, and it's going to be a grade check and a reflection. So what it's going to look like, I wanted to be sure to completely describe this, is it is a Google Doc template that you guys are going to fill in. So you're going to complete this chart or this template by using your PowerSchool grades and then your semester 2 assignments. So I have put all of the assignments and assessments here by weekly module that you can see. What I'm going to encourage you to do is to pull your PowerSchool grades up on one side of your screen and then split screen with this template. So you can kind of scroll through both of them and fill in as you go. Whatever works best for you though. So you're going to fill in this column or these blank spots with either a C, an I, or an M. So a C means it's complete, I did it, and the correct score is there. So a C means everything's good to go. An I, if you fill an I in, means it's the incorrect score. So that means you need to send me a Canvas message and say, hey, Mrs. Gatchell, on the 15.1 assignment 1 probability, it says I got a 8 out of 10. I redid that and should have a 10 out of 10 or whatever the case might be. Okay, so that's your I. I means incorrect score. And then M is going to mean missing. That means you need to complete it. So your deadline again is Friday, May 14th. So you have until next Friday, May 14th to complete it. And you need to let Mrs. Gatchell and myself know that, hey, I finished the 15.1 assignment 1 probability assignment. When you have a chance, can you please get that graded and updated? So you're going to go through each of these different assignments and assessments in each of the weekly modules. And you're either going to put a C if it's completed, an I if it's incorrect score, or an M if you need to complete it still, if it's missing. Okay, so make sure to just kind of split screen with your PowerSchool grades in this template and go through and double check all of them. This will also help you see which missing or incomplete assignments you still need to work on throughout this next week. So you have all of your 16 weekly module assignments here. And then on your SWic, you'll just submit this form and you'll be able to move on after you submit it. Your second set of instruction goes through the main ideas, the big concepts that we learned throughout the second semester. You have a SWic that goes through semester 2 concepts. You must earn a 12 out of 12 on that to continue moving on. So it's the 12 biggest main ideas that will be reviewed in the notes, and then it'll also just be a review of this entire semester. You have one assignment to work through in this weekly module, and it's an escape room that covers different review and different concepts of the semester. So there's 6 total puzzles that you're going to work your way through to escape out of the escape room. You're going to give some feedback, so this is going to be like a check-in and a course evaluation. So please be sure to complete that form. It'll give me an idea of what you thought about the ESACS course that I've created, and it'll be a good check-in too to kind of end the semester. Last but not least, you'll have your final thoughts and moving on video, and then you will be done with the week 16 module. Now you will see a week 17 and week 18 module posted in your course. The week 17 module is just going to remind you that your final deadline to turn anything in is Friday, May 14th. It's also going to remind you that this course does not have a final exam. And then the week 18 module will again just say there's no final exam for this course. That is what you have to look forward to in this week's module.